Want less stress and more happiness? Managing your finances can help. It sounds complicated, but it's really not. Let's break it down. First, what is a budget? A budget is a plan for your money. It lists your income and your expenses. Understanding your expenses is key to managing your finances. Next, let's discuss income. This is the money you earn. Knowing how much you make helps. You create a realistic budget. Now, what about expenses? These are your costs of living. Identify your needs versus your wants. This will help you save. Saving is crucial. What are your assets? These are things of value that you own. Start saving now to build your future. Let's talk about investing. Stocks and index funds are popular options. Index funds group various stocks, allowing you to diversify risk. Another powerful concept is compound interest. This means your money grows over time. It's money earning more money. Now, what is the time value of money? Simply put, money today is worth more than the same amount in the future. Start saving now for rewards later. Credit can be confusing. What should it be used for? Think of important purchases, not for impulsive buys like pizza. Ever thought about buying a house or car? Understanding these financial principles will help you reach your goals. In conclusion, financial literacy is essential for happiness. By mastering budgeting, saving, and investing, you'll reduce stress and increase happiness.